Ah, you got it right. You haven't on your YouTube channel, and then there's nothing else it shows you. You are just seeing blank things on your YouTube channel. Now here it has come with there's a upcoming extension that has enabled many content creators to know what time to post, to know when is the right time to post, to know the SEO of their channel list, of how the searching link are, and this is TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy has it all. Now we want to consider two channels, one which has TubeBuddy and other one which has no TubeBuddy. Let's get into this. So this is a channel that has it has no extension on it, and this is a channel that has no extension on it. That's why you see it has only white background and nothing else is showing. When we use the TubeBuddy extension, this is how it looks like now. This is the TubeBuddy extension. When we use TubeBuddy extension, it has the keyword explorer, suggestion, click magnet to help you. These are the tools to help you increase your views on your channel, to increase the traffic on your channel, and that's why I recommend TubeBuddy, because TubeBuddy is a great tool for all content creators. Use TubeBuddy today and see the difference in your videos and even in your channel. If you wanna install the TubeBuddy extension on your YouTube channel, just click the link on my comment section, and use that link to install the TubeBuddy, and your channel will start skyrocketing.